Have you ever seen these things before? I have these minis and minis. I got these for Christmas. I'm not gonna lie. They have been sitting on my desk and I have been waiting to open them because I actually have never seen these before. And I got them in my stocking and I wanted to open them with you because I don't know if, maybe it's just me who's never seen these before, but I thought it would be fun to check them out together. So I waited for you to be available, aka I waited to have a minute in between projects, and we're here now. Okay, I'm gonna bring you down physically, not emotionally, hopefully. Okay, so we have 3 of these things. So I think what they're advertising is like, they're like miniatures, but they actually have stuff in them. My pet peeve with mini brands is like when they have like the tiny cookies and ice cream containers, there's nothing in them. I've made that joke a bunch of times. So I'm actually so excited to basically have what is functional miniatures, I think. Now, we can see one of them. It says 8 inside, and I'm wondering if that means there's like 8 different miniatures, or as in like there's 8 original wafers. So I don't actually know, but I do like that you get to see at least one of the things. These tiny wafers. And I have to say right away, this is plastic. It's not just cardboard, so already it's winning. Okay, it's got a little pop top. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're those like little round wafer candies. I know what these are. I've never actually had one, but I've seen them. I don't know if they were a thing in Canada so much. Maybe they were. I don't know. Let me know in the comments, but I've never seen these in real life. But, so we have like 4 of the little candy tubes inside of this little box, which is actually fantastic. Like, that's so cute. Especially for like photo stories. If you're using dolls, you can like pop those out and just be like they're all having little candies together. I'm gonna move this way in the background. Okay, so then we have the little covering. Oh, there is a bunch in here. Also, I really like the little container. I feel like that's a doll trash can. You know what I mean? Like, okay, I think it's 2 minis. 8 inside is 2 minis with 6 minis in minis. So there's 4 in each, or 3 in each maybe, or whatever. But I think what they're saying is if you, so I got 4 of the candy wafers, so whatever this is probably has 2 in it. And all total is 8. Okay, that makes more sense, because I was like, how are they going to fit 8 of those in there? But, oh, and we have a checklist. I wonder if they're different series and like, I don't know. Okay, so we got the Necco wafers. So let's see what the next ones are. Oh my gosh, look, they're Peeps. That's super cute. Okay, so it's the same kind of box idea. So you grab the sides. It's still plastic. The pink is so cute. It's 2 little containers of Peeps. So this one is not like this is like a box. It's almost like the store box of wafers. And then these ones are like a store box of Peeps in quarter scale, and then a store box of Peeps in like, I guess 12th scale, which is fun. Like, I probably wouldn't use this in the same way, but like, I feel like all my little itty bitty dolls could use these, and that's super cute. Oh, apparently that's really rare. So I don't know if I believe this whole like rare versus common, but the Peeps are a rare. Ooh, not a super rare though. I don't think I want the super rare ones. Okay, so let's move to pack number 2. So we can see the first one is Bosco's. So what's the mini in this? This one looks like it splits. Like, this one looks like it splits in half or pops open this way. Okay, that's hilarious. Again, it's one of the like 12th scale inside of quarter scale type ideas. That's freaking funny. They're so little. I don't know. That's not what I was expecting, but it's like kind of hilarious. I feel like I need a full-size bottle to put these in. It's another box. Oh, Sweethearts? I really want the mini and mini for this to actually be Sweethearts. But I feel like it's just going to be smaller versions of the box. Yeah, okay. Somebody needs to start making them where it's like a chip box and there's chips inside. Like, that's the future I want. But these are really stinking cute, though. Okay, finally we have this one. And I can see the first one is moon pies. So we have these moon pies. Oh, these ones are! See, this is what I want. I want, like, individual... So there's 4 in this one of these tiny moon pies. This is what I want. 10 out of 10 for moon pies. Oh, this is cute. It's like cotton candy. And it's just tiny tubs of cotton candy inside, which again, like, should this not just be cotton candy? But the little tubs are really, really cute. Okay, so these are super cute. I would like in the future if I got these again. So I want to know which ones are, like, have the little individuals, or how you can tell, because I really like the ones with the little individuals. I really like the little Mentos, the Chupa Chups, but I want them to be lollipops. Do you see what I mean? Oh my god, there's a whole other side. The Pez one, it looks like it comes with tiny Pez inside it, which I'm here for. But yeah, have you ever heard of these before? And I don't know, I like these better than mini brands. Now, I know, like, the mini brands are, like, maybe more accessible, because again, I've never seen these, but, like, these are definitely, like, a nicer quality. I think you get more mini brands in your thing, but you also get, like, random garbage you don't want. This is just, like, just the stuff you want, basically, which is good. But I definitely think I prefer these. They're sturdier. They're cute. And you have now miniatures. If you didn't get, like, an actual individual portion size miniature, you at least have miniatures for, like, another scale of doll. So, you know. But yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for coming along on this unboxing journey with me. If you're already subscribed, thanks so much for subscribing. If you're new here, I hope you like the content and consider subscribing. As always, I hope you have a fantastic day.